A single forgotten rung nearly burned down a $20 million factory line, but one junior engineer spotted it just in time. It was 3:47 a.m. The night shift at an edible oil packaging plant was running smooth, until a loud pop echoed from the capper unit. Conveyor belts froze, bottles crashed, alarms blared. The HMI showed no fault, but the temperature in the motor panel was rising rapidly. Something wasn't right. A junior technician, barely 6 months on the job, rushed to the main PLC panel. He noticed a strange pattern. The fan motor didn't engage after a sensor triggered overheat. Digging into the ladder logic, he found it. The cooling fan's rung was conditioned by a faulty "not" instruction, meaning the fan would only run when the system wasn't hot. Reverse logic, deadly mistake. He bypassed the rung, forced the fan output, and temperature normalized within minutes. By 4:15 a.m. the line was back online, catastrophe averted. This tiny mistake almost cost the company its most critical production hour. Lesson? Always simulate your ladder logic. Test every rung, especially the ones that control heat, pressure, and safety. Want to avoid mistakes like this? Learn PLC logic the smart way. Subscribe now and never miss a real-world lesson.